Hello YouTube, this is Dawn from DaretobeCreative, and I am here today with a quick little video for the Stuff It collab hosted by Poetspice, and it is a purses, bags, and boxes collab, and we have to do anything that we can stuff with, something in it for a gift for someone. So, and it can be made out of different materials. And as usual, I will always have all the links to the wonderful crafters that are in this collab, including Poetspice herself, and all their channels, so you can click those links and check those ladies out and be inspired to make something that you can stuff, put something good in it that they might like. So I just made some gift card holders, and I used this Hey Girl from Hobby Lobby, this We Are Memory Keepers gift card holder die. And I just made a couple of the gift card holders, and of course they hold gift cards. So you could, it has a notch in there, and you can stick it right up in here, and the two notches, and then stick it back inside. So that's my gift. It would be to give away. Even though I like this die, it's always hard to line it up to get it in there. But there you go. Whoops. One side. That's one thing it fits, but I always struggle when I make this to get it in there right. But anyway, you get the gist of it. So these are the ones that I made, and I fussy cut out the little girl heads out of the paper collection, and the little red bling from the little Dollar Tree. Sorry about the poor lighting. Again, I fussed to cut her head out on the bow. So again, you just pull it out, and you stick your little gift cards in the notch, and stick it back in, and you have a wonderful gift. So that's just my little quick little project share. So check out the other ladies, and thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing, and I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless.